Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix family sharing not working in Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your Steam app and make sure you are logged in. After that, go to your Steam settings and then head over to the Family section. Make sure to enable or disable your family sharing. If it is already enabled but not working, first disable it and then enable it again. Next, head over to your library. Once you are there, click on any game where you are facing the problem. If you have the Manage option, click on it, and you will see the option to verify game files. Let's take this as an example. Click on Properties, then on Installed Files, and finally click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will ensure there are no buggy or corrupted files in your game. At the end, you can try running Steam as an administrator. To do this, search for Steam, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. Once you are in the folder, right-click the Steam executable and choose Run this program as an administrator. If that doesn't work, go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab, set Compatibility Mode to Windows 8, and make sure Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 is enabled. Hit Apply, then OK, and you're good to go. So, that's basically how you can fix family sharing not working in Steam. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.